On December 30th, 2024, Arkansas police officers responded to a dog grooming business for a report of an intoxicated male causing a disturbance. Upon arrival, officers found a man struggling to stand, using a chain link fence for support. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Why are you drunk in the middle of the day? Public intox here. Go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind my back for me.
You're gonna take me to jail?
Maybe. I'm gonna at least make sure you don't have no weapons on you or nothing.
I don't have nothing.
Alright, turn around for me.
Lean up against. I don't want you to fall.
Yeah, I don't want you to fall, bud. You're pretty drunk. Lean against the fence for me.
I'm good. The cuffs on.
How much you drank?
Like two, not much, but I am drunk.
Not much, but enough.
Enough to
A little too much?
Yeah. Yeah, I drank too much.
Okay. What you got there? Like a nice
There ain't-
cigarettes.
No, there's no
a lighter.
There's a
No
lighter.
grenades or nothing?
No, I ain't got no bazooka on me.
Okay.
Oh, no bazooka.
Yeah, I carry a bazooka in my bag.
There you go, man. That's what I like to do.
Please don't take me to jail, man.
Well, you're pretty hammered, and you've been causing issues here,
Can
so...
you take me home?
Probably not, bud. Probably not gonna be able to do that.
Why? I didn't commit no crime.
Well, you're public intox right now, right? You don't live here?
No, this is a business,
You're
and
drunk and
Jamie,
dude,
Jen,
we've had this plenty of
you're
times.
do you know what this gonna do?
You did it to yourself.
Yeah, it's not her fault, bud.
It's not my fault that you came up to my shop and you decided to drink.
Go ahead and come this way, man. Let's go take a seat in here so I can talk to them, all right?
Seriously? You know how many days I'm about to do in jail? Oh, let me talk to her.
Yeah. I'll put the window down and have her come over here if you want to talk to her, all right?
Good.
Don't want anything, go take a seat.
Jamie, I consider you family, bro.
Let's put that
God, put that motherfucker on my lap. Don't put it on the floor. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Can you fill out a statement for me, ma'am? Would you fill out a statement? You don't have to if you don't want to, but...
It mostly needs to be filmed. I wasn't even here. But this is, I own the place. So,
So you weren't here when it was...
Statement?
No, you see how he is. That's how he's been. That's the statement.
Yeah, it's his girlfriend, so he was here, but he shouldn't.
Because your girlfriend works here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And he was asked to stay outside. He was being loud and stuff. There were still clients here, and then he decided to try to bow up and start getting a little physical. So
there was no fist fight or nothing? No one was hitting each other or anything like that ever, though?
No violence.
yeah, no violence.
Loud words.
So
Highly intoxicated
yeah, so
and being disorderly?
yeah, I would say
verbal.
Yes. Not listening or anything like that.
Okay.
Did we get you to fill out a little statement for us?
Okay.
Show this.
He said he didn't want to, and she said she wasn't here, but anything helps if you could just put briefly like what he said. I know you said you weren't really here when it happened, but...
I mean, you could tell how he was.
Huh?
Am I good?
Yeah, like I said, if you don't want to do a statement, that's fine.
Thanks for your help.
Yep, appreciate it.
I know him, but I can't think of his name.
I know, I'm drawing a blank right now, too. Isn't it, is it
Josh? Him?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Brinker? Or is it Corey?
Yeah.
Corey. Last time I dealt with him, he was hammered drunk, too.
Yep.
So he has a little drinking problem.
Yeah, and he was... Oh, do I need to put this address? Since it happened here?
Yeah.
Okay. I just put my home address.
Is it Corey Brinker Smith? Is that it?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think so.
Okay.
He does have a major drinking problem.
Yeah.
He was out on the boat with us, and he actually died in the water, and he was the one that, like, my husband, we found him at the bottom of the lake and brought him up. We went up to,
So he has a problem, and we've talked about it. And I didn't want. I've told him several times I don't want him here if he's drinking. What do I today?
Just basically what they told you happened. That's
okay.
fine. I mean, I've got enough. Like, I'm taking him regardless. He's obviously very intoxicated in public and
and he doesn't like. So
reeks of
he's wanting
alcohol
me
and
to drive
admitted
him
he's drunk.
somewhere, and I don't want to drive him anywhere because of the fact that.
Yeah, and well, he's got to learn that he can't keep doing this because we arrested him. I think recently he was hammered drunk. I think Dearmore served a warrant or something off of Overhill or whatever. Or Russell Overhill, I think. Driftwood, yeah.
Oh yeah, well he's living over at that behind Lowe's, that trailer park that's back
He
there.
was back there now.
Is there a description?
We've got him. He's in the car.
You want me to go ahead and transport him?
Yeah, you can do that.
I think I can squeeze around you. Just drop that off, or I'll pick it up for you.
I mean, I can do the report on it.
Oh, I'll take care of it.
Just sign.
Don't matter.
Just put him in there or whatever. And
I was just thinking public intox.
Disorderly in public.
And a disorderly, yeah, that's what I figured. Yeah.
We've dealt with him on several different occasions. Was he on the scooter? Did he come over here on the scooter?
That's what. Oh, sorry. That's what I asked him whenever he was here and stuff. I was like, Corey, I was like, you're telling me you drove like this? He's like, no, he had his stuff on him and he got here and he started drinking and then.
It didn't take long.
No,
Must have been some good stuff.
Yeah, he goes for the glory every time he starts drinking. But yeah.
Okay.
30 to dispatch on 15 one time with the mail, 19 to the jail.
Pretty much all we need.
All right.
All right, you bet.
They covered for you. I mean, well, I don't know if they were covered for you, but they were.
They don't want me in trouble, so don't give me more trouble.
I'm not going to. We're keeping it misdemeanor stuff, minor stuff. You're drunken in public.
Do you want him trespassed from the property?
Yeah. Do I need to write that on there?
No, we can just tell him. We'll verbally tell him by us.
Yeah,
So
because
if he does
then
go back
if he
over
does, because I do have cameras and stuff, and I know y'all have to give a verbal before the next. Then that way he has it, and then he can. Okay, yeah, I'm fine with that.
We'll do it. Thank you.
Now, if I'm fine with him coming back on here, I just call and let y'all know.
Yeah.
Is that how that works?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think
If
I
he's
will.
here and you're fine with it, just let somebody know somehow or whatever.
Yeah. That way y'all don't see him here and stuff. Okay. Perfect.
You bet. 32. She wants him trespassed.
2-4, I'll take care of it. You gotta get you some help, man. Every time I see you, you're like this. You gotta get some help with the drinking. Don't apologize to me, man. I hope you get some help.
They don't give me help. They're about to violate me, bro. Put me in fucking. There is no help.
Have you tried to talk to them about getting you get yourself in some sort of program so they'll drop your time and stuff like that?
No.
Because a lot of the time I've seen the judge do it. If you'll sign up for classes or get in a program that they'll, as long as you follow through and knock it out, that a lot of times they'll drop a lot of your stuff. So maybe ask about that. It'd be a good idea.
I go to Baxter County Jail right now.
Yeah, that's the only one I can take you to.
Why? I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't hurt nobody, bro.
32 dispatch, I'll be out at the jail. 15 one-time mail. Officer Edwards.
What's your first name?
Jason.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, I've met you before, bud. You're just drunk and don't remember it.
Nah, probably not.
At least you're honest.
I don't want to go in here and be stuck in a cell because I'm drunk, okay? I would be cooperative with y'all, bro.
All right, man. Well, I know if you work with them, they'll try to work with you the best they can.
Please don't put me in a cell.
But you have to talk to them about that.
Hi.
We got Corey Brink-Smith here.
I wipe my tears on you.
No, you can't wipe your tears on me, sir. I'll get you a tissue.
Hey, Miss Carpenter.
Hi, honey. What are you doing back?
Been drinking a little bit.
Yeah, I got retarded, and then I'm on probation and parole, so it's like...
Don't fall backwards.
I'm not gonna fall.
Okay. You drink.
You've been go slow, man. Don't fall.
Hold on, don't fall. What are you doing? You're taking off on me.
Don't put me in the cell, please.
Which cell, honey?
No cell.
Honey, I have to put you in a cell. I have to put you in a detox cell by yourself because you drank. Just for now until you're not, like...
How long?
At least 8 hours. 8 to 12 hours, honey.
Just gotta sober up, man.
Yeah, I get it. I deserve it.
Only 8 to 12 hours, though.
Yeah, you don't need me in that longer than that.
I'll be back tomorrow morning. I'll switch you out, okay? You should be
I want to
sober.
go upstairs too.
You want to go to F-Pod?
Yeah, I don't want to go. I don't.
Is that what you were last time?
Yeah, I think.
But I think, so, is it a probation violation?
And I'm sure it will be.
Oh,
Public intox.
just a public intox?
Yeah, but it's gonna violate my probation and my parole, and now, oh, something that everybody does every day. Now I'm over it. Yeah,
Do you have anything in your pockets, honey? I'm just gonna put that in your hat. Whoops, in your hat.
Put it next to it.
No, I'm just gonna put it in your hat. Okay. Is that in your hat? Anything in that pocket?
No inner pockets on this, is there?
No. I got 2 cigarettes in my pocket too.
Oh, here, I'll take
Yeah,
this.
it's heater with no smoke on it.
Don't call him names.
Well, he doesn't have to charge me with the charges he charged me with. No,
He's gonna do it.
Tell you, pretty easy on you, man.
You drink too? I know you drink.
I don't do it in public.
I wasn't in public.
You were in public, bud. You're at a business. That's public.
I'm there every day.
It's not your house, though, right? Just don't do it. Hey, and they said you're
Keep it
trespassing.
disorderly conduct. Dude, I'm cool with the public intoxication. I deserve that.
Okay.
Please do not charge me with disorderly conduct.
He's
I
not
was,
recording.
You're, but just for a heads up, don't go back there. You're trespassed right now from there. They want you. The owner wants you trespassed. He's just tired of you coming up there drunk and raising hell. So she wants you to get sobered up, and maybe you can talk to her in the future and work something out.
sure. Okay,
But right now, you're
please
officially
don't.
trespassed, so don't go back.
Okay.
When you get out of here, right?
Please
Talk
don't
that
charge
crap.
me.
Talk that crap out later, and
Man, we'll be fine.
because otherwise you'll get arrested for trespass, even if things are okay and she just gets
And
mad.
with no bond.
Yeah.
No bond, yeah. So
You don't wanna get
please
that.
Please don't do I'm on probation, I'm on parole, right? I have been in trouble before. I'm not a bad guy, dude. I'm a good person.
You got a drinking problem.
I do.
Yeah.
I do. I really do, man.
But yeah, you're just getting misdemeanor stuff. So I mean, the public
please
intox
just give me
thing.
the one charge so I don't have to pay.
It honestly doesn't make any difference either way. I mean,
Yeah, the pay me.
but like I said, remember what I said about the program thing. If you mention that and go into a program and you try to complete it, a lot of times they'll work with you and.
Will you just charge me with the public intox and not the disorderly conduct, please? Dude, I know, like, I get it. You have a job to do. You're a cop, but please don't charge me with more.
I'm not gonna charge you with everything that I could. I'll put it that way. I ain't gonna do
But I
that.
still get the door.
Maybe. Probably not. You might just get the public intox.
Okay.
Especially if you're good for Miss Carpenter
I
here.
deserve that. Yeah.
Said, especially if he's good for Miss Carpenter here.
Oh yeah. I'm always good with the carpenter.
Honey, face me.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
always.
he has never been disrespectful toward me at all.
Alright.
No.
He has not. You've been really decent.
Yeah, I always am, and I'm trying to be decent.
Okay, hold still, honey, hold still. Thank you. Truthfully, yeah, actually has been pretty decent when he's been in here.
He's been alright. He's just hammered drunk, but he's been decent other than
Yeah.
being drunk. He's not been too difficult for me either.
Yeah, I'm a good person when I'm not drunk.
That's your own demon, and you
Yep.
have to battle, honey.
You gotta get yourself some help, man.
Yeah, I know, bro. And I'm not trying to cause problems for none of y'all. You know what I mean? Like, nobody. I don't want to cause problems. Sorry if I talk made you mad, man.
They make me mad. I'm used to people being drunk and doing dumb It's part of it.
But you shouldn't call him names. He's only
Yeah.
doing his job, sir.
I didn't call him nothing.
You did call him a name.
I
It's all
did. I'm
good.
sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
you're good. You're good.
I am sorry.
Just get sobered up, man.
Yeah.
Be nice to them.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'll be back in a second.
Corey Brinker-Smith was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct, public intoxication, and a probation violation. His bond was set at $560. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.